Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python program to draw a simple equilateral triangle using Python Turtle. In my previous videos, we have already discussed about concept of turtle graphics. So now here I am going to discuss about simple equilateral triangle, right triangle, left triangle and reverse of equilateral triangle using turtle graphics. So Python has a simple pen drawing library called Turtle. Using simple movement commands, we can draw shapes using the Python Turtle library. The simple movement commands are forward command, backward command, left command, right command, pen up command and pen down command. So these are the basic syntax commands of the Python Turtle library. So these are already discussed in my previous videos. So now here I am going to discuss about equilateral triangle, right triangle, left triangle and reverse of the equilateral triangle. And this is the figure of the equilateral triangle and this is the figure of the right triangle. Okay, in equilateral triangle all the angles are equal. So the angles are 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. So 60 degrees into 3, 180 degrees total angle. And this total angle is 180 degrees and this angle is 60 degrees. And here to here this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, and subtracting 180 degrees, uh, 60 degrees, subtracting 60 degrees from 180 degrees, we get this angle. That angle is 120 degrees. And this is the right triangle and this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 45 degrees and this total angle is 180 degrees. And here to here this angle is 90 degrees and this angle is 90 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. Okay, and this angle is okay, here to here 90 degrees and this angle is 45 degrees. So this angle is 45 degrees. This angle is 45 degrees. So 90 plus 45, 135 degrees. And here to here the angle is 135 degrees. So now coming to the program. And this is the simple Python program of the equilateral triangle. So import the turtle. So first import the turtle using import function. After importing the turtle, all Python functions and methods we can access. Okay. So first import the turtle, and after that we can use s is equal to turtle dot get screen method. A turtle screen will appear on the screen. Okay. So now I will run this program. So the turtle is successfully imported and this is the turtle screen, and this in the middle of the screen a small shape is there. That shape is called as the turtle shape. That little object is called as a turtle. Okay, once importing the turtle and after importing the turtle, all the turtle methods and functions we can access. When you use s is equal to turtle dot get screen method, turtle dot turtle method, the turtle screen will appear on the screen. So t is equal to t dot. Now with the turtle method, we can use the variable t. So t dot pen size, the pen size will be increased, and this is the pen size. So this is the pen size. That is the default size. So we want to increase the pen size, we can use t dot pen size method. So now run the program. The pen size is increasing the pen size. So now we can use t dot shape size method, and the shape of the turtle, the shape of the size will be increased, and the shape of the turtle is increased. So t dot color. So the default turtle color is black color. When you use t dot color of green color, yellow color, and the pen size color is green color and the filled color is yellow. When you click on the run module, the color object, the pen color is changed. So the pen color is green color. Inside the pen color, the shape color is fill color is yellow. And T dot fill color is yellow. And T dot speed, the pen speed is 2. And T dot begin underscore fill color, the begin fill color is yellow. And now here I will use for loop. For space I in range of 3. So range of 3 means the range of I values are I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2. So now we can use forward method, T dot FD method. The turtle will move in forward direction by 200 distance. When I is equal to 0, the turtle it moves in forward direction by 200 meters. So I is equal to 0, the turtle moves in forward direction by 200 meters. So when use T dot left method, the turtle moves in left direction and anti-clockwise direction by 120 degrees. So now I already discussed equilateral triangle. So this is 120 degrees. Turtle moves in anti-clockwise direction by 120 degrees. This is 90 degrees and 90 plus 40, 90 plus uh, 90 plus 30 and this angle is 60 and this angle is 30. 90 plus 30, 120 degrees, and the turtle moves in anti-clockwise direction by 120 degrees. So now this turtle moves in anti-clockwise direction by 120 direction. Turtle rotates in 120 direction. And next value of I is 1. I is equal to 1. Turtle moves in forward direction by 120 distance. And at that position, turtle rotates in left direction. Left direction means anti-clockwise direction by 120 degrees. Okay, 120 degrees will rotate. And next value of I is 2. I is equal to 2 and the turtle moves in forward direction by 120 degrees. So this is the equilateral triangle. So using change the turtle title, and the default turtle title is now here Python turtle graphics. We want to change the title using turtle.title of triangle. So the title will be changed and T dot end fill color. So this is the Python program to draw a simple equilateral triangle using Python turtle. So now we can run the program. So this is the equilateral triangle. And next I am going to discuss about Python program to draw a right angle triangle. T dot pen up method. When use dot T dot pen up method, stop the drawing of the pen. Stop the drawing of the pen. And T dot backward method, and the turtle moves in backward direction by 300 meters. So now we can run the program. So click on the run module. Okay, first program is equilateral triangle. Okay, now the T dot pin up method is used and stop the drawing. And after stopping the drawing, and turtle moves in from this position to backward direction by 300 meters. There is no drawing of the line. So why there is no drawing of the line? Now here I use T dot pin up method. T dot shape of turtle. The shape of the turtle will be changed. Shape of the turtle will be changed. So now here this is the shape of the turtle. So when you use T dot shape of turtle method, the shape of the turtle will be changed. Okay, this is the shape of the turtle. And T dot begin underscore fill. The fill color is dotted and the fill color is yellow. So T dot pen down method. So the importance of the pen down method is start the drawing of the pen. So pen up method is stop the drawing of the pen. Pen down method is start the drawing of the pen. So when you use T dot pen down method, the pen will start the drawing. So T dot forward method, and the pen moves in forward direction by 200 meters. T dot forward method of 200. So now run the program. Okay, the pen moves in forward direction by 200 meters. So now here T dot LT method, left method, and the turtle rotates in anti-clockwise direction by 90 degrees. Turtle rotates in anti-clockwise direction by 90 degrees. So now here the turtle moves in forward direction by 200 meters, and when use T dot LT method, the turtle rotates in anti-clockwise direction by 90 degrees. And this is 90 degrees position. So click the run module. The turtle is rotated in anti-clockwise direction by 90 degrees. So now here T dot FD method, in that direction turtle moves in forward direction by 200 meters. Click on the run module. In that direction turtle is moving 200 meters. And T dot LT method, and the turtle rotates in anti-clockwise direction by 135 degrees. 135 degrees. Okay, this is turtle moves in forward direction by 200 meter, and after the turtle rotates in 135 degrees. 135 degrees mean and this is 90 degrees. 90 plus 45, 135, and the turtle rotates in 135 degrees. Now we are done. Click on the run module. Turtle rotates in 135 degrees, and after that we can use T dot FD method. Okay, so using the basic expression, and this is x and this is y, and this distance is square root of x square plus y square. So now here this is the 200 meter and this is 200 meter. Square root of 200 square plus 200 square, and its value is 282 point something. So now we will take 283. T dot FD method of 283, and the turtle moves in forward direction by 283. Okay, so this is the right triangle. So when you use now the T dot fill color is yellow color, begin of underscore fill. So T dot end fill color, and the right triangle filled in yellow color. So this is the right angle triangle Python turtle program. Next I am going to discuss about Python program to draw left angle triangle. So T dot pen off method, when use dot T dot pen off method, stop the drawing of the pen, and T dot LT method, so that pen rotates in anti-clockwise direction by 45 degrees, and after that I can use T dot FD method, and the turtle pen will move in forward direction by 220 meters. Now I will use T dot LT method, and turtle rotates in anti-clockwise direction by left direction by 90 degrees. So T dot begin color, and begin color is dotted. T dot shape method, and the shape of the turtle is changed, and classic means the original shape we will get. So T dot pen down method, start the drawing of the pen. And this is the first figure, equilateral triangle, and this is the second one, right angle triangle, and the third one. So third one is till now, T dot pen down method. So when you use T dot FD method, the turtle moves in forward direction by 200 meters. Okay, and after that we can use T dot LT of 135 degrees. Turtle rotates in anti-clockwise direction by 130 degrees, and after rotating the turtle moves in forward direction by 283 meters. And T dot LT method of 135 degrees, and after rotating the turtle, and turtle moves in forward direction by 200 meters. So T dot end underscore fill method, turtle fills in yellow, turtle fills in the color. Now the color is yellow color. So click the run module. So this is the Python program of left angle triangle. And next one is reverse of a Python turtle. So when you use T dot pen off method, stop the drawing of the pen. So T dot LT method, turtle rotates in anti-clockwise direction by 135 degrees. T dot shape method, turtle shape is changed, and T dot FD method, turtle moves in forward direction by 290. T dot LT method, turtle rotates in clockwise direction. RT method, right angle method. So right direction, and right direction means clockwise direction will move in 45 degrees. So when you use T dot FD method, turtle moves in forward direction by 100 meters. So when you use T dot pen down method, start the drawing of the pen. Start the drawing of the pen. So now here continuation, I will use T dot begin color, T dot begin underscore fill color. Now reverse of the equilateral triangle, I will use for loop. For I in range of 3, range of 3 mean the range of I values are 0, 1, 2. So if I is equal to 0, turtle moves in forward direction by 200 meters, and after that turtle rotates in clockwise direction by 120. Okay, next it goes to the next value of the I. Next value of the I is 1. If I is equal to 1 and the turtle moves in forward direction by 200 meters, and the rotate the turtle in 120 degrees, and it move to, and it go to the next value of the I, and next value of the I is 2. If I is equal to 2, turtle moves in forward direction by 200 meters, and T dot right method. So now here I will explain that one. So first I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, turtle moves in forward direction by 120 meters. So T dot RT method, turtle rotates in clockwise direction by 120 degrees, 120 degrees. Okay. Next I is equal to 2, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, turtle moves in forward direction by 120 meters. So when you use T dot RT method, turtle rotates in clockwise direction by 120 degrees. Okay. That is I is equal to 2, I is equal to 1. Next I value is 2. So if I is equal to 2, turtle moves in forward direction by 120 degrees. So T dot LT method, turtle rotates in clockwise direction by 120 degrees. So T dot end fill color. Now click on the run module. And this is the first program, and this is the second program, and this is third program, and this is fourth one, reverse of the equilateral triangle. So this is the Python turtle program.